quick update number 7. Just got a bunch of parts in the mail. We got the driver's side torque box. I still have to get the passenger side. Frame rail extenders, firewall patch panel. These are the new pans that the seat bolts to. These are what they call the toe board, passenger and driver. That's up where the pedals are. We got drivers and passenger side full length floors. All the metal from the local metal supermarkets, it's called, to repair the frame damage. And then this is the subframe connectors. This is not factory. This is just to stiffen everything up. Butt weld clamps for welding all the sheet metal. 16 pack there. This is seam sealer and some weld through primer, just to make sure that we keep everything from rusting out again. So Emmett does not have to do this job, or maybe even Emmett's kids will not have to do this job. That's our goal.